Hi, I'm Trevor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to take out your Palm Beach PowerView motor and replace it with a new one. In order to get this motor out of the bottom rail, I'm going to have to press on the programming button here as hard as I can, and once I get it just right, now I can start to pull my motor out. And now we've got our motor completely disassembled from the rail. We have a new motor right here. We have the motor oriented the same way now. And you see the motor doesn't have a programming button in it. That's because you have to put one in it. But it has two sides that you can do it on. So we want to make sure that we put this programming button in the correct side. So coming separately in the packaging is going to be an actual programming button like this. And then you're going to get a small spring. You have to now put the spring inside of the programming button, and now we have to get this inserted into the motor. So here's my new motor. So let's go ahead and insert it into our motor. I know everything's correct. You'll hear a little click. Perfect. Now we've got our new programming button put in. From here, it's a really straightforward process. I'm going to put the battery cable in through the bottom. The motor can really only go in one way. It's got a little retaining clip down here at the bottom, and that's what keeps our battery cable in place and kind of helps lock the motor in place. So let's push in on the programming button, and you should get a nice click. There we go. So now that we've got the motor inserted, we need to kind of route our battery cable. And there's a little notch that's cut right here inside of our rail, and that's where the battery cable goes. And that's how you replace a motor on a Palm Beach shutter with PowerView.